Package content: 2x1 pair seatbelt shoulder pads. These shoulder seatbelt cushions are great for protecting you while you drive. It easily installs on all shoulder seatbelts, there are no tools required. They have a piece of durable Velcro on the underside that you simply open, fold over the seatbelt and then close again. No more cutting across the neck. This seatbelt pad can be used for car, trunk, Jeep, SUV, airplane, can also be used on your handbag, baby diaper bag, golf bag, luggage which has a strap, and any place else you want padded comfort. Top reviews from the United States. Comfy. Easy to install and very comfortable. Originally bought for grandchild's comfort since he just got into a booster seat and seatbelt harness was uncomfortable for him. He loves it and I will buy again for myself.